doing this, some of you may or may not know, it's been raining a lot here in Kentucky, and our roof started leaking. So we had a problem in here. A leak. A leak. Don't mind the mess, here or here. Hopefully when we get finished, it'll look great. Cute, huh? No, we're not going with coastal. We've already done that.
So we've got the trim taped off with the blue painter's tape, which we've had great success with in the past. The vanity is no more. Yeah, that was a rascal to get out of there. And we have something special planned for the vanity in the corner, but y'all have to wait to see that. But we are going to go ahead and get this bathroom painted on this lovely Friday night here in Kentucky. We'll pop back in from time to time to show y'all the progress of what we're doing, but in the meantime, I'm going to put this camera down and pick a brush up and get with it. So we'll catch up with y'all here in just a little bit. Here's our Saturday night update. We've got the vanity out. We've got the blue paint where it's going to go. I've got some measurements for what I need to do next. Got the trim that's right there repainted. All of the blue is done. We've just got a very little bit of touch up in one corner, which is that corner right there. And yeah, that's out of the way. To get ready to put in the new flooring when the time comes, but we needed to move that so that we could get to that trim and get to the wall behind it. But it's a step-by-step process, and we will see where it goes from here.
Hi, welcome back. Well, it's been a long couple of weeks. You would think that we had no bathroom, when actually we've got two. But you know how it is. You use one, your spouse uses the other one, or, you know, when it's just the two of you. But we got it finished. I love it. I'm very pleased with it. You want to take a look? Now, our exhaust fan in here is loud. I don't know why. It just is. But, come on in. Here we go. This is it. New color on the wall. Painted the trim. New curtain. Shower curtains. New hooks. Painted this white. It's still a little bit wet. Yeah, I mean it's just that soon after we're finished. It's still a little bit wet. New floor. Isn't it pretty? This I had in another room, but it just looks so right in here. Let me turn on the little candle. There we go. Now.
That is so cool.
But it just looked so right in here. I thought, you know, blue and white walls. Oh, yeah, blue and white walls. Come on over this way. Take a turn around there and look. How about that? Huh? How about that? No more water pouring down the wall. I love, love, love it. Did I tell y'all I love it? New vanity, new mirror. Gonna get some new trash cans soon. New towel hangers. New toilet tissue hanger. This is beadboard. I love beadboard. Yeah. Oh. But yeah, that's still just a little bit wet, but we're so happy to have it finished. My Thomas. We are very happy to be finished.
Yes. It's been 2 weeks, a little bit more than 2 weeks
Since we started.
it, and like she said, the paint on the linen cabinet door there behind her is still wet. That's we just finished, so we wanted to show this to you folks as soon as we got it done. So this is our grand reveal. I guess you could call it that.
Yeah, I told Tom. I said, you know, we've owned this home for going on 8 years now, right?
Yeah, about 8 years.
About 8 years, and as far as this bathroom is concerned, this is the most comfortable at-home feel that I've had in here. I knew it needed to be done. Been putting it off for a couple of years, threw a coat of paint on it instead of just going on and doing what my heart said to do. But I'm glad we did it. I'm glad we did it. I hate that it was a leaky roof that caused us to push on with it, but I'm glad we did it. And
so am I. Very happy with the results.
Yeah, thank you all so much for hanging in there with us.
Yes.
It's I admit it's been difficult at times. This is a small area.
Yeah, and I am by no means a handyman or a contractor. I can do little things. It just so happened that all of the little things that I'm able to do, I did in here. It turned into be one big thing, and I'm very proud of what we have done to transform this one little room in our house.
Yeah, yeah, we did good.
We did.
But y'all, if you haven't subscribed yet, I wish you would. And if you do, there's going to be a little dinner bell. It might pop up over my head. It could be
right here,
right there. Ring it with my head. But if you ring the bell, if you subscribe, you hit that notification bell. You'll know each time that we put something new on Nana's Hidden Apron. And my arm's getting tired. I'm sorry. But if you like this, give us a like. Give us a thumbs up on it. And I'm going to have to switch this. It's too heavy. I've had surgery on this arm, and it just does not hold up well sometimes, especially when it's been working hard.
If you folks have any suggestions or any comments or anything, just put them in the comment box down below. we love getting comments from y'all. Sure. It makes our day. It really does.
It does.
So this is us interacting with you when we respond to your comments, and we really like doing that. So.
Yeah. But this is it. This is what we've been working on, and it may go elsewhere. Who knows? Who knows?
You never can tell what you'll see on Nana's Hidden Apron.
Well, that's true. I might be cooking something. I might be doing craft of some kind. You just never know. But yeah, one last little looky-loo. And we had all of our windows put in when we bought the house, so.
Yeah, I don't know how to do that.
But there we go. There it is. There I am. See yep, there I am. See, that's kind of loud, isn't it? Y'all take care. We'll see you next time. Have a good evening.